Good evening. This week we were supposed to do pick a topic and then write three different posts from three different viewpoints and then answer a few questions on how that affected us seeing an issue from three different sides. Um, One of the questions asked was, how did writing from an empathetic viewpoint change your voice in social media? Well, I always try to see the different sides of viewpoints when I'm in an argument or in a discussion. So writing from different viewpoints or looking at issues from different viewpoints does help create empathy for others. Now, it'll rarely change my viewpoint or my beliefs, but it at least help me to understand what others think and why they're thinking it. So there's definitely value in looking at things from different viewpoints and discussing them. Next question was, what are you aware of that you weren't before? Well, my topic was on the legalization of marijuana and the polarization of my family on that subject. Um, One of the things I didn't realize before was the high cost involved in the prohibition of marijuana. The cost involved in arresting people, prosecuting, jailing, etc. is absolutely staggering. And then the fact that people's lives are literally ruined for something that should probably be legalized on the federal level or at least turned over to the states to decide. Something as minor as smoking a marijuana joint could ruin somebody's lives, just completely ruin it. So I'm more for the legalization right now. Next, it says, have you discovered or honed your voice? Well, on this particular topic, when it came to legalization or not, etc., it did help me hone my voice. I was kind of on the fence before. Now, looking at the high costs and everything, I do believe it should be legalized. Um, did it really hone my voice overall? Not really, because I always try to see things from different sides or different points of view, different sides of the topic, so that I can empathize and at least try to understand why people are saying what they're saying. Next, what have you learned about the value of choosing your words wisely? Well, obviously, choosing your words wisely cannot be overstated. Through some of the videos we've seen where people made innocent little comments, or seemingly innocent comments, and had their lives completely ruined by the response and the backlash on that. So when you put something in writing, you take away all of the face-to-face non-verbal communications. So people don't know if you're joking. It's really comes down to what they say, 93% of communication is non-verbal. So when you take that away, we're not communicating very well. But in today's society, we're depending heavily on this. So, and I also learned that don't post when emotions are high. I personally have done this before. I write something and then set it aside, let it cool off, let it simmer for a few minutes before you decide to just post out of anger. I can't tell you how many people have been in my office saying, "Oh, I was just mad," or "I didn't really mean that." Well, it doesn't matter because now it's a matter of record because you posted on it, and it can be used against you in legal matters. So again, take time, try to empathize with the other individuals, try to see what's going on, and try to understand their side of view. There's always value in that. Thank you.